Hello everybody, in today's episode we are finally getting the engine back in the Subaru. Alright, so basically this video is going to be about 90% time-lapse, and it's going to pretty much go over everything that I've done to the EJ255 over the last couple of months. Ever since I put out my last Subaru update video, I've been slowly, working on it, putting, the new engine together and everything like that on the weekends and on my time off. So that's pretty much all that you're going to see here. So if you really don't like time lapses, this is not the video for you. I will put a timestamp in the description for where you can go to actually get to the bit where we try and start it. Will it start? Who knows? Here we go.
Any ideas? Any ideas?
issue with my timing covers. They were all garbage. So I went to Home Depot and I bought some JB Weld plastic bonder and some weather stripping, and I bonded up everything here, see that, so that it's not cracked anymore. And also I used weather stripping around here instead of whatever garbage crap they had on there before that just all kind of disintegrated and fell apart. So we are now going to put those on the engine. I just got this all wrapped up and back together. I didn't put the covers on the front because I'm still working on those. They're not really necessary for me to at least do initial startup. I'm not sure. I'm probably going to have to pull the engine out again, even if it does work, just to finalize some stuff. But for now, this is pretty much ready to drop in. Alright guys, the engine is in, it's wired. I haven't connected anything for the coolant system, but I'm going to try and start it to see what happens. So I don't think I can overstate how absolutely nervous I am right now. Like, my heart is beating 1,000,000 miles a minute. All the work over the last 6 months and all this waiting for 2 freaking years has led up to this. This thing had better frickin' work.
Nothing? Jane.
Oh.
Nothing at all?
Something must not be plugged in or something. It's not even trying to start it. It's just sitting there.
It's a weird noise.
Put that. Well, as you guys just saw, it's not doing anything. It's not starting. It's not even trying to start. I don't know what's going on. So, we're going to have to go at this at another time because it's getting late and I have to work in the morning. So, I'm going to leave this where it is, clean up a little bit, and we will continue this at another time. Overall, I'm very happy with the progress that I've made. This is my first engine rebuild, as it were. So, all things considered, I am kind of proud of myself for getting this far. But it still sucks that it isn't running. So, whatever. We'll figure it out. Anyway, it's time for me to go inside and get cleaned up. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.